President Ramnath Kovind tweeted in his message, and we quote,
"Sad to hear that former President Shri Pranab Mukherjee is no more. His demise is passing of an era. A colossus in public life, he served Mother India with the spirit of a sage. The nation mourns losing one of its worthiest sons. Condolences to his family, friends, and all citizens. Endowed with perspicacity and wisdom, Bharat Ratna Shri Mukherjee combined tradition and modernity. In his 5 decades-long illustrious public life, he remained rooted to the ground, irrespective of the exalted offices he held. He endeared himself to people across the political spectrum."
Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu condoled the death of former President Pranab Mukherjee, saying, "The country has lost a statesman. He was a statesman and an illustrious son of India who rose from humble beginnings to occupy the country's highest constitutional position through hard work, discipline, and dedication." Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi made a series of tweets and shared his pictures with the departed leader. In his tweets, Mr. Modi said,
"India grieves the passing away of Bharat Ratna Shri Pranab Mukherjee. He's left an indelible mark on the development trajectory of our nation. A scholar par excellence, a towering statesman, he was admired across the political spectrum and by all sections of society."
In yet another tweet, Prime Minister Modi listed out the qualities of the former president, late Shri Pranab Mukherjee.
As India's president, Shri Pranab Mukherjee made Rashtrapati Bhavan even more accessible to common citizens. He made the President's house a center of learning, innovation, culture, science, and literature. His wise counsel on key policy matters will never be forgotten by me. I was new to Delhi in 2014. From day one, I was blessed to have the guidance, support, and blessings of Shri Pranab Mukherjee. I will always cherish my interactions with him. Condolences to his family, friends, admirers, and supporters across India. Om Shanti.
Earlier in the afternoon, the mortal remains of Shri Pranab Mukherjee were confined to flames with full state honors.
There is a palpable grief in the Lodi Road crematorium as well as across the country. Pranab Mukherjee was a colossus among Indian politicians. For the last 5 decades, rising from a member of the Rajya Sabha to the highest constitutional post in the country, Mr. Mukherjee was the person who had been there and done that. Mr. Mukherjee's eldest son is performing the rituals at Lodi Road crematorium. The priests are chanting the mantras so that this worthy son of India can attain Vaikuntha Lok.
All the delegates who are present over here are in their PPE kits because of this COVID-19 pandemic which is going on.
The mortal remains of the former president of India are now being taken for the funeral after the completion of the religious rituals.
बिगुल बादल के साथ अंतिम विदाई।
अंतिम विदाई और उनकी पुत्री, हम देख पा रहे हैं कि उनके आंसू थम नहीं रहे हैं।
Shri Pranab Mukherjee assumed office as the 13th President of India on July the 25th, 2012, crowning a political career of over 5 decades of exemplary service to the nation in government as well as parliament. A man of humble origins, Shri Mukherjee was born in the small village of Mirati in Birbhum district of West Bengal on December 11, 1935. Shri Mukherjee's father endured great hardship, including being sent to jail several times for his role in India's struggle for freedom. Condolences poured from all the corners of the world. Nepal President Bidya Devi Bhandari, Prime Minister K.P. Sharma Oli, and Chairman of the ruling Communist Party of Nepal, Pushpakamal Dahal Prachand, expressed their condolences on the demise of Shri Pranab Mukherjee. Nepal has lost a good friend, President Bhandari tweeted. Oli expressed heartfelt condolences to the people of India and to the bereaved family. Bangladesh President Abdul Hamid and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina have expressed sorrow over the demise of former President Pranab Mukherjee, describing him as a true friend and recalling his outstanding and unforgettable contributions to the country's 1971 Liberation War. His demise has caused an irreparable loss to the political arena of the subcontinent, Hamid said. Central Minister Shri Prakash Javadekar.
Pranab Mukherjee was one of the best person I have seen. He was a great politician, a great statesman, a great strategist, and more importantly, was the best administrator also. Therefore, condolences are pouring from all over the world. The dignity with which he carried his presidency is very important. During that time as HRD minister, I had to be in constant touch with him. So we were discussing various things. He used to hold meetings of university vice chancellors and everything. At the same time, we published his book of university convocation addresses, and we have lost a great son of India, Bharat Ratna Pranab Mukherjee. He was always affable and he was a great teacher by himself. And therefore, even as opposition member, when we used to talk, when we used to discuss or ask anything, he was ready with references and he was giving us the right advice also on many occasions. And at the same time, as a ruling minister also, he advised us on many things. And as Prime Minister has said, it was a special relationship of his with Prime Minister. And country will always remember Bharat Ratna Pranab Mukherjee as a great man.
Central Minister Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad pays his tributes.
भारत की राजनीति में गहराई आई है, उस गहराई में प्रणब बाबू की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। मोदी जी ने एक बात बहुत पब्लिकली कही थी कि मैं दिल्ली में नया आया था और भले ही देश ने मुझे चुना था, लेकिन मुझे भारत के शासन में हाथ पकड़कर आगे बढ़ाने का काम प्रणब बाबू ने किया था। देखिए, इस बात को समझिए आप, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। 12 साल वो मुख्यमंत्री रहे, देश के नेता बनकर आए, लेकिन फिर भी, और मैं बहुत छोटा कार्यकर्ता हूं, लेकिन जितना प्रणब बाबू के साथ काम करके मैंने सीखा है, चाहे वो इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म हो, चाहे वो पार्लियामेंट्री प्रोसीडिंग हो, चाहे वो भारत का संविधान हो, चाहे वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली की डिबेट हो, एक एक चीज उंगलियों पर, कोई रेफरेंस की आवश्यकता नहीं होती, और प्रणब बाबू ने कह दिया, मतलब आखिरी शब्द हो गया। तो ये बहुत अच्छा याद आती है राज्यसभा में उनका जो परफॉर्मेंस देखा। अभी देखिए, एक बात याद आ गई, एक बार वो वित्त मंत्री थे और वो आपके फाइनेंस बिल मूव कर रहे थे और मैंने विपक्ष से उस पर अपनी बात कही, तो याद आ गई, उन्होंने मुझे बताया, रोबी यू मेड सम वेरी गुड पॉइंट, आई एम हैप्पी, कीप इट अप। आप सोचिए, इतना बड़ा अनुभवी व्यक्ति अगर इस तरह से आपको आशीर्वाद दे संसद के अंदर आपके भाषण पर, तो आपके अंदर कितना बड़ा आत्मविश्वास आता है, ये बात समझ लीजिए।
सीनियर कांग्रेस लीडर श्री कपिल सिब्बल।
उनका योगदान देश के प्रति, कांग्रेस पार्टी में उनका योगदान इतिहास के सुनहरे अक्षरों में लिखा जाएगा। वो मैं समझता हूं कि जो राजनीति में उनका लगभग 60 साल वो राजनीति में रहे और कोई ऐसी घटना नहीं थी राजनीति में जिनसे वो वाकिफ नहीं थे।
मध्य प्रदेश चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री शिवराज सिंह चौहान।
भारतीय राजनीति के एक अध्याय का समापन हो गया। वो ऐसे नेता थे जिन्होंने सदैव दलगत राजनीति से ऊपर अपने देश को रखा। उनकी विद्वता, राष्ट्र के विकास के लिए उनकी प्रतिबद्धता, विषयों पर उनकी पकड़, उनकी विलक्षण बुद्धि उन्हें सबसे अलग हटके एक राजनेता बनाती थी।
Major General B.K. Sharma was conferred Ati Vishisht Seva Medal from the then President, late Shri Pranab Mukherjee. He pays his tributes to the departed soul.
I am Major General B.K. Sharma, Director USI. Today I feel very sad that we have lost Shri Pranab Mukherjee, a true Bharat Ratna, the leading light of modern India. He was a parliamentarian par excellence and always upheld the constitutional propriety, rising above the party politics. He was a great consensus builder and past master in reconciliation of differences. He held some key ministerial portfolios with aplomb and remarkable efficiency. He will always be remembered as the people's president, as he opened the presidential palace to common people. I had the great honor of receiving Ati Vishisht Seva Medal from him at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and my son, Lieutenant Colonel Vishal Sharma, too received an award from him. His name will be written in golden letters in post-independence history, and he will always be remembered as a towering leader of modern India. I pray to God to rest his soul in peace. Jai Hind.
The universal truth is, every human being at the conclusion of his or her earthly journey comes across a moment which is a final reality, possibly the harshest truth. Except that, in the case of a colossus such as former President Shri Pranab Mukherjee, their life, their legacy live on forever, serving as a beacon of guidance, a pillar of strength to humanity. Shri Pranab Mukherjee, you will be missed by one and all. Rest in peace.